What's up, YouTube? This is Christian here. What is up, my people? You know, I'm here for this video. It's the Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction PS3 review, but it's 2021. Oh my god. Okay, so the game looks surprisingly well for a video game that came out in 2007. More of the same from Ratchet and Clank games like Going Commando and Up Your Arsenal, which were PS2 classics. So Tools of Destruction, you know, similar to those PS2 games, very similar in style. And if you didn't like the PS2 games, don't play this game. If you've never played a Ratchet and Clank game, try checking out Tools of Destruction. I have the digital version of Tools of Destruction on my PS3's hard drive. I got it for $10 off the PlayStation Store on PS3, directly on PS3. Honestly, Tools of Destruction is not as good as Going Commando and Up Your Arsenal. Don't get me wrong, Tools of Destruction is a good, solid game. You will want to beat it more than once to max out all of your weapons in the game. There's a lot of cool weapons in the game, creative weapons. The gameplay is fun and exciting. Insomniac Games puts in a lot of creative weapons in the Ratchet and Clank games. The storyline is okay, nothing too great, but it's somewhat interesting. I would recommend this game. It's solid throughout its aspects. I give this game a score of 4 out of 5. A 4 out of 5. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel and like this video, please. And feel free to drop some comments talking about this game or about whatever you want to talk about. Just, you know, let's just chat. I know there's a new Ratchet and Clank game, right, for the PS5. First, you gotta find a PS5. Yeah, PS5s are sold out everywhere right now. And I heard Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart, right? So I've seen the reviews for Rift Apart. It's getting good reviews. Eventually, when I get a PS5, I'm definitely gonna check out Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. That game looks amazing. I've seen, yeah, very pretty game. That gives you a taste of what the PS5 can do, right? But okay, this was the Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction PS3 review in 2021. So, okay, later.